What's up guys? Mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are here at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport as you can see, and we are going to Taiwan. So for today's vlog guys, I'll show you around the airport as well as the airport processes from paying the travel tax up to departure. So let's go! So, nag-jacket lang ako guys, and then I'll show you around the airport. I'll quickly pan the view at the airport guys. As you can see, wala masyadong tao, and yun yung airport na kalagayan ngayong 2025 September. I'll pan around and I'll show you guys. So, ayan guys, yung current kalagayan ng airport today. And as you can see, sobrang smooth, sobrang walang kaganapan. Pero hanapin natin yung AirAsia siguro, no? Kasi alam ko Cebu pa ko yung nandoon eh. Pero let's try. Hanapin somewhere there and then tsaka tayo magbayad ng travel tax. So guys, we're going to Taiwan. So before, nakapunta na ako guys sa Taiwan twice. Actually, this is my third time. Last 2017 and 2023, both Taipei. But yung lakad natin ngayon is in Kaohsiung. So sa southern city siya ng Taiwan. So mas gusto natin, though Taiwan is laid back naman, parang mas gusto lang natin ng chill vibes. Yung laid back lang, chill, coffee, sightseeing, and view. So, let's try. Let's see what Kaohsiung can offer sa ating lakad na ito. So, that's it. So guys, dun pala sa C1, 250 ng AirAsia. So, more of Cebu Pacific pala doon sa A and B, I guess. Tapos AirAsia is more on dito sa C. I'll show you guys. This is the airport currently. Sobrang walang tao, nakakapanibago, at medyo malamig. I'm not sure kung is it because na maulan lang sa labas today or dahil nag-improve na ang NAIA nowadays. Kasi 'di ba hawak na siya ng San Miguel. Maybe magbayad na muna tayo ng travel tax, guys, here sa C. So, let's see. So, ayun guys, nakuha na natin yung travel tax. Nag-pay tayo here sa counter. Lalagay ko lang sa aking bag for a moment para hindi siya mawala. Kasi baka magbayad na naman tayo. And then, siguro guys, mag-check na muna tayo. As in guys, walang tao masyado. Nakakatuwa ang airport ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung dahil konti lang ang nalipad ngayon. Siguro isang ikot lang ako masid. Kasi wala naman gaanong tao. And then, tsaka ako mag-check-in. Kasi nung chinek ko dito, guys, dito sa departures, flight and destination information, yung flight natin pa Kaohsiung, hindi pa open yung counter. So, wala rin naman tayong magaganap, guys. Pero, I'll try nga to check-in. Pero, about the paying the travel tax, if you guys will be paying cash, it's 1,620. Pero may additional fee siya guys kapag credit card. Ako kasi nagbayad ng credit card, 25 pesos. So 1,645 yung binayaran ko. So that's it for the travel tax. And then I'll show you around guys yung mga airport processes pa later. But for the travel tax, 1,620 if cash, if card, 1,645. Before, na-try ko yun sa kasama together with the ticket. 50 pesos naman, 1,670. So, 50 pesos yung additional fee. So, it's up to you guys. Ako credit card ginamit ko today. Pero pwede namang cash kasi wala talaga akong cash at nagpahatid lang ako sa car today. And then bala ko mag-withdraw sa Taiwan na ng NT. So that's it. I'll show you around, guys. And then I'll share the experiences in immigration and stuff. Kung maraming tinanong, especially later. That's it. Surprisingly, guys, talagang as in sobrang luwag. Improvement to unlike dati talaga na super hirap. And then aircon wise, malamig naman siya, pero unsure nga lang ako kung dahil maulan ba sa labas. Pero malamig. Yun guys, kayo na lang humusga pag nandito na kayo sa airport. Ayan. And then try ko muna i-check-in ko na yung gamit ko para makapasok na tayo sa loob. Para kasing ay, letter C. Lagpas na pala guys, kakachika. Ayan, tatry ko mag-bag drop kung pwede na. Pero I think hindi pa kasi nakalagay dun sa counter. Pero let's try para wala na akong maraming dala-dala. And ito, quick pan lang sa baggage drop ng AirAsia. Sa kabila, Nippon Airways. Tapos dun sa counter A is Cebu Pacific. And then that's the immigration, international departures. And then this is the bag drop. So ayun guys, pwede na mag-bag drop for Kaohsiung. So pila tayo kay ate. Here. And then guys, nandito tayo sa bag drop. I'll quickly pan. Kulang guys yung aking travel tax tsaka passport kasi kailangan natin yung importante. Ayan. And then magpapabaggage, try natin kung pwede tayong window seat. Sana Lord God, sana pwedeng guys, sana pwede ngayon yung window seat. Cross finger. Tingnan natin. Hopefully, kasi parang bet ko talaga magpa window seat. Oh, ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Oh my God. Kaohsiung, let's go! Kaohsiung. Are we on full flight po today? Full flight today.
Hindi naman sir, pero mataas yun.
Mataas. Is it possible ng window po? Kung may available.
Nasa flow sir, wala na pong available.
Sige po. Okay lang. Thanks.
Talaga ng check-in bag.
Once.
Dito na lang sir, if ever na may available po, request na lang po sa akin.
Sige po.
Make sure po wala pong mababasag sa loob ng bag, batteries po. May hand carry po sir, wala.
Ito po. Backpack. Ayun guys, so walang available na window. Parang heavy flight, medyo marami din daw pero hindi napayagan yung window seat. I think kasi marami din naman nag-avail and that's understandable. It's good. Okay lang din naman ako sa middle. And then we're heading toward the immigration. So for the baggage counter, smooth lang naman. Bigay nyo yung travel tax na binayaran nyo earlier. And then pakita nyo yung passport plus the ticket. And then, ayun, bibigay na sa inyo yung ticket nyo, yung boarding pass. And then, next step is to head to the immigration, which is, eto, ipakita ko sa inyo guys. That's the immigration. Quickly pan. So, ipapasok ko muna guys itong mga electronic devices kasi it's immigration. Bawal ang mga video-video. Update ako later. So, ayun guys, nakapasa tayo sa immigration and security check. Ikukwento ko sa inyo guys later, but before that, let's go to the airport lounge, which is at here, going here. Airport lounge. Ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo sa airport lounge guys. Kaya lang, hopefully, merong slot sa Marhaba para makapag-rest tayo kasi 3:30 pa naman yung departure. Hopefully guys, may available sa Marhaba. Sana. Then let's see. Let's try guys sa Marhaba para doon tayo makapag-freshen up at makapagpahinga ng at least 2 hours kasi time check it's only 12:02 and then ang departure is 3:30. Mga 3 p.m. baba na tayo, so mga 2 hours tayo sa airport lounge. Sana available sa Marhaba using yung credit card ko kasi yung Pags, ang balita ko wala na sila dito. Lumipat na sila ng ibang terminal. Yung card ko, Pags saka Marhaba. So ito, Marhaba, siguro pang 3rd time ko na itong natatry using my credit card. Pumaldo sa airport lounge. Hopefully guys, cross finger, sana available sa Marhaba for para makapag-stay tayo ng maayos. Cross finger, this is Marhaba. Sana may available. Sumakses tayo guys. Hanap tayo ng location. Siguro dito na lang tayo sa table. Mas bet ko naman yung may table. Para makakapag-vlog tayo. Yan guys. Sumakses tayo sa airport lounge using my Union Bank Gold Credit Card dito sa Marhaba. Ayan guys. So ayun. Teka guys, kasi na-excite ako. Ikukwento ko nga pala yung pangyayari doon sa immigration. So, ang airport procedure is magbabayad ka ng travel tax. Punta ka dun sa counter mo, mag-baggage drop ka if you have additional baggage sa ticket mo. And then, kukunin mo yung ticket doon. Afterwards, punta ka ng immigration. So, after ng immigration, while in immigration, sobrang walang pila guys. As in, napakadali ko lang nakalagpas doon. And then, tulang yung question kung kailan balik ko. So, ni-state ko lang yung kailan, yung date, tsaka kung anong day of week siya. And then, ang next na tinanong is yung kung saan ako nag-work. And then, ang nakita niya siguro doon pa rin ako nag-work till present. Goods naman, wala niyang tanong. So, sobrang smooth ng immigration. Sobrang dami rin yung counter na bukas. Ang bilis, guys. As in, wala pang 30 minutes na ako nasa airport. Nasa loob na ako ng immigration. Kalagpas na ako. And then, security check. Hassle, kapag may dala kang laptop, ilalabas mo sa bag mo. Ang hassle nga lang is yung shoes. Tatanggalin mo, guys, sa paa mo. Napaka-hassle. I-x-ray mo yun. Parang dito lang ata sa pins mo yan. Pati yung shoes ay inaalis. So that's the kwento in immigration. Isasama ko kayo guys later up until boarding. Tamang kain guys here at the Marhaba. Tinry ko yung Mongolian beef. Not bad. What's up guys? So, kakagaling ko lang sa Marhaba and sobrang na-relax ako guys. Kumain ako ng mga sandwiches, ng foods, and ng mga snacks, nag-drinks, ganyan. And sobrang na-relax ako, nag-watch ako ng mga aeroplano na ano. Nakalimutan kong mag-chika-chika guys, yung mga requirements na dinala ko. So, nandito nga pala guys, sa phone ko, nilista ko yan. So, for the documents na pinrepare ko, nakalimutan ko sa inyo ikwento. Though wala namang tinanong or hinanap sa akin physically sa immigration. Pero, it depends pa rin kasi talaga on everyone's experience. So, for documents prepared, nagdala ko ng Certificate of Employment, leave application, the bank certificate, the travel insurance, nag-fill up ako ng e-travel. So sa e-travel, meron ng ano, parang new option there para sa tax. So tatlong option yon. Yung parang may option doon if you paid your tax through your ticket, together your ticket, if you paid your tax through TIESA dun sa counter, or you have um, exemption certificate from TIESA. And then I have my flight booking with me, same with accommodation. And then additionally, nag-ano rin ako, register ako sa Taiwan Lucky Land. So up until September 30, 2025 yung promo nila. So para magkaroon ka ng chance to win 5,000 NT. Depends kung hotel voucher or piliin mo is iPass or e-money, something like that. And then, lastly, Taiwan arrival card. So, para siyang e-travel ng Taiwan para sa pag-arrive mo naman. So, all of these documents are electronically saved on my phone. And then, hindi naman siya hinanap sa immigration, pero case-to-case basis yan, guys. But for me, ito yung nag-work sa akin. Sinesave ko sa phone ko. And then, meron na din kasi ako magandang travel history. Pero kung first time kayo, better kung i-print nyo para mas madali siyang i-navigate, hindi ka katal-katal naman sa hugot ng mga documents mo. And then, siguro kung ano na lang yung itanong or hingin ng immigration, yun na lang din yung bigay mo. One is to one. Ganun. Wala nang masyadong palabo. So, ayun yung mga documents na prepare ko, guys. And, ayun nga, dalawa lang, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, is dalawa lang naman yung tinanong kung kailan ako babalik since nag-state lang ako kung anong date. And then, ano pa ba yung isang tanong sa akin, guys? Na-forget ko na. Hindi ko maisip. And kung saan ako nagtatrabaho, i-blip ko na lang yun. And then, ayun, tatak na agad. Kinuwanan lang ako ng photo and nagtatak. So, what's new here at the Ninoy International Airport is that mabilis na yung airport processes. Hindi ko lang sure kung hindi lang kasi peak ngayon. Today is September. Parang ang bilis ng lahat eh. From the counter, up to immigration, up to security check. as well as yung pinakauna, pag-pay ng mga taxes, everything walang pila. So, I mean, parang effective naman yung pagkakaano ng pagpapatakbo, no? Ng San Miguel. Kasi, compared before, talagang lapot-lapot ka na, latik-latik ka na. Ano, ang tagal mong makaalis sa immigration, pero now, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng improvement. And then, siguro yun na muna. And then, bababa na ako dun sa gate. Dun ako magtatambay. And I'll update you guys. Ayan guys, kukuha ko ng clip dito habang naglalakad tayo papunta ng ating boarding gate, which is gate 103. Makikita nyo guys, wala masyadong tao as in. Ayan o. Daming bakante. Ayan, Etihad. Tapos All Nippon Airways. Grabe as in guys. Wala masyadong tao. Dito sa part na to ng airport, medyo malamig na. Ayan o. Bakanting-bakante guys. Ewan ko kung paano. Kung hindi lang ba peak ng mga passenger ngayon. Wala masyadong nagta-travel ba. Pero grabe. Maluwag pa to, unlike before na siksikan as in. Nihingal ako guys, balikan ko kayo pag malapit na tayo sa gate 103. Guys, dito sa part na to ng airport, super lamig. Mas malamig na siya compared last year. So talagang meron naman palang improvement dito sa NAIA. Kaya naman pala. 'Di ba? Mas lumamig, mas bumilis, mas hindi na siya yung congested before na sobrang daming mga travelers. Ngayon talagang sobrang smooth, which is good and nakakatuwa. Yun lang. Lakad tayo sa Vocalator guys. Ito guys, nag-try akong mag-connect sa airport wifi. Itatry natin ngayon kung gaano kabilis naman in terms sa internet ha. One sec. Ilalagay ko lang sa speed test. Ayan guys live yan. Speed test ng internet ng wifi. Pero I suggest guys, if ito kasi extra phone ko lang to kaya pinang-wifi ko sa public. Pero kung may mga banking apps kayo guys, hindi ko sinasuggest talaga na mag-connect sa public. So not bad, di ba? Pangalawang speed test is 88, 87. Yung una is 110. Tapos yung ngayon, 80. So not bad yung in terms sa internet, di ba? Nakakonek ako sa free wifi ng Converge dito sa NAIA Terminal 3. That's it. And this is the vicinity. Wala masyadong tao. Quick story time lang guys, no? Habang nakaupo na ako dito malapit sa boarding gate natin, hindi ko lang sure guys kung nakikita nyo paano ba siya, hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya i-zoom. Pero ayan guys, yung flight natin, C2132 AirAsia. Ayan. But before that, mag-quick story time ako guys, ha? So itong flight na to is nabili ko around parang 4,800 August 2025. So parang 2 weeks before the flight, mga 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks before the flight, nabook ko siya. And surprisingly, Manila to Taiwan, Kaohsiung in specific, it's around 4,800. Balikan na siya. So, sobrang mura. Ito yung mga time guys, so sobrang parang gusto ko na magbakasyon. And gusto kong bakasyon is yung malapit lang sa Pilipinas, which is around ano lang 2 hours no from Manila. So it's a perfect destination na malapit lang. And yung very quick lang. So for this vacation, it would be 8 days trip natin sa Taiwan. And Actually, this is a combination of leisure and remote work since napayagan ako mag-remote work for 3 days sa abroad. Na-approve naman niya ng IT head ng company. So, it's good. And IT naman kami guys, so wala namang magiging problema. Balitaan ko rin kayo guys sa mga susunod na araw. So, for now, yan na muna guys. And ito ang update sa NAIA as of today. I'll share some clips pa mamaya upon boarding naman sa airplane. That's it. Napansin ko rin pala guys, yung upuan, hindi na siya yung stainless ng katulad dati, yung bakal na may, yung napabalitang iniipis dati. So ganito na siya, aesthetic color, parang mga pastel colors na medyo matte. Maganda na yung upuan ngayon compared sa mga nakaraang taon. So talagang kahit papaano, no, mararamdaman natin na meron kahit papaano improvement dito sa NAIA. Ngayon ko lang napansin yung upuan. Maganda siya. Sturdy pa. And we're in, guys. We're going to board the plane. This is the view outside Cebu Pacific, and then doon tayo sa AirAsia. Let's go! What's up guys? Let's go! We are now boarding the aircraft. Hello guys! Super exciting! Ngayon na lang ulit tayo nakapag-travel since the October 2024. Ang last natin is Dubai. So, today, excursion time. Tingnan mo guys, super luwag. Pati yung pag-board ng gate guys, so amazing. Tingnan nyo naman. Hindi siya yung punuan, hindi siya pilahan. Hindi ko sure kung dahil Kaohsiung to. Baka wala masyadong nagtuturista sa Kaohsiung. Malalaman natin. Balitaan ko kayo guys. Ayan, dito medyo may tao pero at least hindi siya ganun ka-full.
Magandang hapon sa mga mahal naming panaw. Pinapaligayang pagdating sa AirAsia sa flight GT132 pati 132 patong Kaohsiung. Maraming salamat po. Unauthorized changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartments and small items under the seat in front of you. Thank you. Your guests for safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks are not be stored in the overhead compartment. They shall always be kept with you or stored in your back seat under the seat in front of you or in the seat pocket at all times. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, may tayo pinababa, walang paggamit at pag-charge ng power bank sa loob ng
Kevin with Rosero, Lance, and Isaac. Plan flight time will take us 2 hours. And we plan to cruise at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Weather and routes forecast to be partly cloudy, and we'll be expecting light to moderate turbulence from time to time, so we advise passengers to always keep your seatbelts fully fastened for your comfort and safety. But meantime, sit back and relax. Cargo loading still ongoing. As soon as we get things done ready, we'll be on our way to Kaohsiung. Time check very convenient, just 57 minutes past the hour of the afternoon. Once again, welcome aboard.
And just like that guys, we are here at the Kaohsiung International Airport. And I'll end the vlog here guys. So, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button below. Mabuhay and God bless.